Introducing a new solution for 2011 to 2014 Ford Edges, the 99-5855. You'll start by removing the factory dash panels. Next, unplug and remove the factory radio and screen. With the wiring harness provided, wire up the new radio. The 5855 is a tactile kit, so it has our factory-style hard buttons with laser-etched graphics and easy-to-use rotary knobs. Here, you'll be replacing the factory USB and auxiliary knockout found in the center console. Next, start the reassembly of the dash. Plug in the 5855 and check for functionality. The 5855 also has an integrated hazard button and passenger airbag indicator. To finalize this install, finish the assembly of the dash and make sure to double check that your steering wheel control and all of the functionality of the dash kit are working. This kit is designed for a single and double DIN install and is painted to match the factory finish. For any more information on this product, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are